Good morning, students. Welcome back to your virtual class. Today's our topic is respiration in plants. Just like animals, plants are also made up of cells. So they too need respire in order to release energy. They too have cellular respiration. Just like animals, during cellular respiration, they too release energy. This simple topic is our discussion point today. Let us begin. So today you are going to learn, like animals, plants also have cellular respiration. The glucose molecules break down in the presence of oxygen to release energy. Result of cellular respiration is carbon dioxide, water and energy accompanied by the release of energy. Exchange of gases take place by simple process diffusion through stomata which are present on the surface of the leaves. Now, just have a look there in the structure of stomata. You learned there in the first lesson or second lesson the structure of stomata. And what is stomata? Stomata are small tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. Stoma is singular. Stoma is guarded by kidney-shaped kidney-shaped cells called guard cells. It is the guard cells that control the opening and closing of the stoma. Stomata is plural and stoma is singular. Okay, so what is the role of stomata there in respiration of plants? Yes, as plants do not have separate the respiratory system just like animals, how does the respiration process take place in plants? Plants, the process of respiration is by simple diffusion through small pores which are present on the surface of the leaves. These small pores are called stomata. The picture shown is the stomata. Stomata or the stoma is singular. Stomata is guarded by two kidney-shaped cells, guard cells. It is the guard cell that controls the opening and closing of stomata. Okay, stomata plays an important role in respiration as well as transpiration. Through stomata, exchange of gases take place, and also excess of water through stoma goes out of the plant. Yes, out of the plant. So these are the roles of stomata there in plant cell. The exchange of gases in respiration. Second one is, what is second one? Second one is transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of excess water from the plant body through leaf and especially through stomata is called transpiration. Now move on to the next slide, that is the table showing the different details of the gases released by plants at different times of the day. Conditions are dark condition. What is dark condition? At night. At night, only respiration takes place. There is no photosynthesis. You know the reason, because without sunlight the plants cannot perform photosynthesis. What is the overall result here? Oxygen in the third column, you will be seeing the overall result. Oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. This is what is happening there dark or there at night. Now second condition is dim light. In dim light, photosynthesis rate is equal to respiration rate. Both respiration and photosynthesis rates are equal. That is called a aerobic or anaerobic respiration. Okay, and now dim light photosynthesis rate is equal to respiration rate. No net release or intake of oxygen or carbon dioxide. What do you mean by that? Dim light. In dim light, photosynthesis rate is equal to respiration rate. So the gas, carbon dioxide gas, which is released during respiration is used by the plant for photosynthesis, and the gas released by during the process photosynthesis, that is the oxygen gas, is taken by the plants for respiration. So no net release of oxygen or carbon dioxide. Now third condition, bright light. What is bright light? Bright light is during daytime. During daytime photosynthesis rate is greater than respiration rate. So carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is given out. During daytime, bright light photosynthesis rate is greater than respiration rate. Okay, so this is what is the details of the gases released by plants at different times of the day. And here the stomata play an important role in respiration as well as transpiration. So this is the simple topic we learned, we discussed, and we read there in the interactive class about equation and all, and page number 105 and 106. You people read properly, thoroughly, and write the answers, homework answers there in the homework book. It is compulsory that homeworks and classwork must be completed in time. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.